Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the best niche for profitable YouTube automations. And if you are looking to automate your YouTube channel and make it profitable with AI generated content, this video I'm going to tell you the best niche for YouTube automations and show you how you can create high performing shorts and reels using AI tools. So first, if you want to create the short and also reels that will catch attentions only by using AI tools, first you just need to open the chat GPT here, and then you can just ask chat GPT to write you stories. For example, I want real stories about the type of fish and the extent of their size, like the biggest fish in the planet. You can just hit on enter and wait for the result. And here you can see ChatGPT will generate the response. Biggest fish on the planet is the whale shark. It can grow to an extent blah 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 blah. And after that, after it's generate this story, you need to ask ChatGPT to write you a script. So I want you to write me a script with 45 seconds or maybe 60 maximums duration about I'm going to write I'm going to just choose the whale shark. Okay, click on enter again and wait until the script is finished. Okay, you can see this is the script. So after you have the script, you can just open your browser again and find the vocals. You can just generate vocals using AI. So you can just find AI voice generator. So there are lots of options. There's this Alvin Labs, Voice Maker, Morph AI. So you can just choose which one to generate your vocals for your videos. After you have the script and also the vocals, you can just generate prompts and images using AI. So you can now find AI image generator. And again, there will be lots of options, so you can just choose which one and then ask them to generate your story. So let's say I have the whale shark, so I'm going to just ask them to generate whale shark. Let's try one of them. This one, Deep AI. So just write your prompt and then tap on generate and just wait until the result came out. For the prompt, you can see it's still playing. And let's just move to the next step. You can just download free videos now for your videos. You can just find on your browser, just find a free footage video. So just find any videos related to the topic that you want to create. In this case, I'm going to just write search for whale shark, of course. And after that, after you got the focus, the script, the images, videos, and everything, you can just download music background. And after that, edit your videos using any video editor tool that you use. You can use CapCut, you can use DaVinci Resolve, Premiere, or others. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.